You are welcome once again. Okay, again, we have to solve this problem, and I hope you are ready, so we solve this together. Find the stationary points on the curve. Minus x power 2 over 2 plus y power 2 over 3 is equals to 1. When they mention stationary point, what comes to your mind, right? We all know that at stationary point, the y dx, which is the gradient, which is the differentiation, is equals to 0 at stationary point. So it means we need to find the y dx. We need to differentiate. So how do we do that? I have minus x power 2 over 2. If I differentiate that, it will give me minus 2 minus 2x over 2. I hope you can see that. Just differentiate that x there. Plus. Now, this is an implicit function. So I have 2y over 3. The 2 and the 3 below are just numbers, so that's why they are not affected. But because it is implicit, I have the y, the x, which is y prime. Are you following me? Is equals to what? If I differentiate a constant, what do I get? I get 0, so that's gone. Is equals to 0. If I differentiate 1, I get 0. You can see that this is over now. This is cancelled out. So I have minus x plus 2 over 3 y prime. 2 over 3 y prime is equals to 0. I hope you are enjoying it as much as I am. Is equals to 0. Oh my God, it's so interesting. Now, I'll take x to the other side because I'm looking for y prime, the y, the x. So I will rearrange them, do the magic. I will get the answer immediately. So I take x to the other side, it becomes positive. So 2 over 3 y prime is equals to x. This is so amazing. Y prime is equals to x. You can see it is x now because the negative will change to what? To positive. So I can rearrange now to get my y prime. 3 will go there, 2 will come down, then we divide by y. We cross multiply. So I'm going to have my y prime will now be what? Let's take it step by step so you don't get confused. I will cross multiply this, so 3 will go to x. So I have 3x. I will divide the 2 side by 2. So 2 will cancel here, 2 will come down here. I have 2 below here. Then y is also up here, so y will also come down here. I hope you are following me. So y prime is equals to 3x over 2y. And we have said that at stationary points, all of these guys will be equal to what? 0. If I cross multiply 2y with 0, it means that my 3x is also equals to 0. You can see how sweet this is becoming. My 3x is now what? Is now 0. Are you following me? What is my x then? Can you make a guess? Yes. My x is 0. That implies that my x is what? 0. So this is a part of the coordinate. So if I take this 0 to my function here, to my question here, it means that all of this becomes 0, right? So therefore, y squared, I took x is equal to 0 back to the question, right? That's what I'll be doing now. So I'll just write what I will get. So y squared over 3 will be equal to 1. I'm taking this 0 to this place. So if I put x to be 0 here, everything here becomes 0. That's why, let me draw a line. Okay, so I can separate them. So that's why y power 2 over 3 is equals to 1. Y power 2 over 3 is equal to 1. This is so sweet. I'm really loving it. If I cross multiply, y power 2 is what? Is 3. Y power 2 is what? Is 3. And what is y now? Y will be square root of what? Of 3. Is equals to square root of 3. So what is my coordinates? What are the coordinates of the stationary point? They will be 0, because because I have what's it called, square root here, it will be plus or minus. I'm sure you know that, because if you put your square now, it can be positive. So it means that my coordinate will be 0, 0, plus root 3 plus root 3, or 0, minus root 3. 0, minus root 3. That's my answer for the coordinates. I hope you are finding it easier and interesting. I wish you good luck in your exam.